right, welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. We talk about Drip Network all the time, get 1% back at 365%. Well, today we're talking about Splassive. Similar to Drip, get 2% back every single day for 180 days, so it's half the time. So we're actually going to do a little deep dive on Splassive, how it works, how the well works, how what you do, and how you would actually put your money in and everything else. So all right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. These would be one of these, I talk about the gas prices going up and food prices going up and people need to do crypto projects. Remember, I'm not a financial planner. Do your own research. This is just educational purposes only. This is a project that I am doing. Got about $1,000 into it. Not a lot of money, in my opinion. Again, educational purposes only. But we're going to be making 2% every single day. So let's go ahead and head over to Splassive. All right, we're over here at Splassive.com. The tap, and we're going to kind of go over this. Right here on the middle of the page, it kind of says right here, Splassive. The tap is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similar to high-yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily return on your investment up to 360%. Players can compound and extend their earnings through deposits, hydrating, rewards, and through team-based referrals. So I just got started with this when I was in Hawaii. So I was in Hawaii and one of my friends was telling me about this. It just launched. So I got in on the right when it launched. So if you take a look here, I deposited about 35 deposits. I have $1,296, almost $1,300 in money, USD, in Splash tokens. And currently, right now, I got $3.06. I already compounded or hydrated it a little bit earlier. All right, so 2%. So 1% would be $12. So it looks like I'm making $24 passive income daily. So let's kind of go through this a little bit. It's kind of like a copycat of the Drip network. Right over here, you got the well. This is on the Avalanche network, so you have to buy it in AVEX. And then you basically buy your AVEX and you swap it from AVEX to Splash. So take a look right here. So, if you got AVEX, you'd have whatever you have. You'd come over here, you put the amount of AVEX you'd want to put in. You would hit buy and you would have Splash. I actually have a little bit of Splash here. When you go to sell your Splash, you would sell your Splash right here. It looks like here's your balance. There's 31,000 AVEX in there. The Splash bonus. Now, in order to build a team, you do have to buy wave tokens. So we're going to kind of go over that a little bit. So just kind of showing you the functionality. Also here, as you scroll down, it shows you the charts. This token has jumped up a lot, everybody. It's $38, $37 right now. If you take a look here, like the 12th or 13th, the coin was $8. So it looks like the Splash token has been jumping up pretty good. So $37 right this second. It talks about the stats of the actual project. Going over here again to the TAMP, you got available, you have your deposits. This is kind of a copycat of the Drip network. I'm in Drip also. I like that project. Like I've claimed 1.35. My max payout right now is 129. I've got no team and no reward, so just getting started with it. All right, going over to the white paper. It talks about the well. The well is a Splassive network solution for players that want to benefit from non-inflationary yield farming through adding liquidity to Splash. Players can participate by adding AVEX to the Shore contract to earn passive AVEX rewards, while also providing locked liquidity to Splash ecosystem. AVEX rewards are paid out instantly and through a persistently Splash protocol, the dividend pool. All right. The well will help provide long-term price support and ever-rising potential price floor. As a permanent locked liquidity is added to the Splash token on the Splash Network swap exchange, not only are players able to receive perpetuity AVEX dividends using the well, but the well assures that the floor of liquidity for Splash is hardened, providing permanent locked liquidity and long-term price support. When you enter the short contract, you are swapping AVEX for a token called drop that is held by the short contract and represents a share of Splash/AVEX liquidity drop. The amount of drop held by the player determines the share of the dividends that will be received instantly and daily. When you swap your AVEX for drop, so the liquidity pool pays 2%. That's fantastic. So here we go. Let's check out the roadmap. Splash pre-sale whitelist. The launch will be 24 to 48 hours. We're already past that. I guess we're kind of jumping around. But they have some whale tax here. If you're a whale, just like the Drip Network, you're going to pay more in taxes if you're a whale and you throw huge money at this. If you own over 10% of the actual funds, you're going to pay a 50% tax and so forth and so on. Right here talks about the onboarding system. You're going to have those wave tokens. I think I got 30,000. So I actually got like 4 levels of downline. So you need 5,000 of these wave tokens if you want to sponsor and get paid the one, I think it's 10%. Let's go ahead and read this here. In order to successfully make a deposit into the TAP staking contract, you will first need to join somebody else's team by either clicking their referral link or by annually adding the wallet address into the buddy referral system. So just like Drip, you can't join this unless you have a buddy. I'll put my link in the bottom. It requires you to do 10 splash. I think you only have to do 1 right now. I think that's I think you could do 1. One's like $34, but even say 10. In order to receive referral rewards, players must hold Wave in their wallet, and the depth of the reward received will be determined by the individual Wave time tier requirement. So the more levels you want to go down, the more Wave tokens you have to basically have in your wallet. But you will also get a 2.5% deposit compounding bonus once you deposit under a team wallet, which means someone who has 5 or more direct referrals, a rate sheet is included. All right, so the person gets 10% for referring, but when they have over 5 people, then they get the 2.5% goes to a bonus for everybody, which helps everybody. So check that out. You do have to have Wave tokens in your wallet if you want to do the onboarding. This again talks like Einstein. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He can understand it, earns it, and who doesn't have to pay it? Albert Einstein. The TAP compound mechanism uses your current available Splash dividends and redeposits them into the TAP contract, compounding your long-term earnings by increasing your daily cash flow and also by increasing your max payout. There is only a 5% tax compounding transaction instead of 10%. So anytime you guys compound your money, you're only going to pay 5% tax. When you take the money out, it's 10%, and then when you put the money in, it's 10%. It says right here. Instead of the 10% that you on the other Splash transactions. The 5% tax goes into the TAP pool that is used to pay the daily ROIs and the referral bonuses. The splash from the tax is also paired with AVEX from the Shore liquidity staking contract and is locked in the Splash AVEX liquidity pool. Splash can be deposited into the Splash TAP account contract to provide a consistent 2% daily return, up to 300% of your initial principal amount. For participating over time, additionally, players can add their AVEX into the short contract to become a permanent liquidity provider for Splash and earn AVEX rewards, and definitely for multiple dividend streams and income generating for exchange fees. Splash is the only deflationary daily ROI token that pays stakers and referrals from the tax on the transactions and not through the inflation. Net deposit value, deposit plus airdrops plus rolls and claims. All right, everybody, so you get 2% compounding for up to 180 days. And let's read this. The Splash Network TAP is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similar to high-yield certificate of deposit. Players participating by purchasing Splash from a platform of the swap page. We talked about the 10. Deposit Splash into the TAP contract and earn a consistent 2% daily return on your Splash. 360% maximum payout. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only, but I'm just reading on the white pages what this program is. Players can compound their earnings through regular deposits. Splash rewards come from a 10% tax. So yeah, everybody check this out. Make sure you get your wave tokens if you're going to do a team. If you just want to be a solo player, you don't need no wave tokens. So again, over here at the Splassive website. Right now I got $1,300 in here. It's earning me 2%, so it's earning me about $26 a day. And I'll either go here and hydrate, and when I hydrate, I'm going to put the money back into the contract, and then I'm going to compound it, or I can claim it. I got 2.7% claim, 2.7 claimed. I am going to do a little strategy that maybe I hydrate for 2 or 3 days and then claim a little bit and hydrate. Everybody, you have to do your own strategy. Some people may just compound for 3 straight months. Some people may claim. But you do have 2 options here. You can hydrate and you can claim. Buy your wave tokens. If you need to buy your wave tokens, you can click right here. It takes you to switch your AVEX for wave. I understand. There's a tutorial here right on the website. It's a minute long. Let's go ahead and do it. There's no sound on it, so I'm just going to play it so it's inside here. You can pause it and go back. Again, this is more in here so you can have it on your phone or have it on your computer, so you can just go and pause the video and look at these different things. This is, again, one of the projects at Frank and Frank's Crypto Corner that I am doing. Again, do your own projects, research your own stuff. I'm not a financial planner. Do your own research. This is all educational purposes only. All right, so there's a tutorial. So, hey, everybody, just bringing you this game that we're actually doing, just like we're doing the Drip Network. We're also doing Drip Garden. Splassive is another one we're doing. You have to, again, if you're buying stocks and bonds, you may have 10 or 20 or 30 different stocks that you buy. Cryptocurrency, you can buy the coin and hope that it shoots to the moon. Good luck with that one. Everybody's trying to find the next Shiba Inu. Remember, I've been talking about Tectonic. Make sure you go look at Tectonic. But this is one of the cryptocurrency projects that we're doing, 2% a day. Again, I'm doing a little strategy. I'm compounding a little bit. I'm hydrating. I'm compounding. I'm not just going to compound completely for the whole 180 days. I'm actually going to take the money a little bit. So you're going to have to use your own strategy. All this is for educational purposes only. I'm going to leave my link in the bottom so you can join the team if you want to join the team. I will be doing airdrops as we get started. So again, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here so you can learn about Drip Network at 1% up to 365% for 1% a day. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. It's a little bit different type of video than going over the coins, but this is a cryptocurrency project that we're actually doing ourselves, so check it out. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day today.